Hello everyone, this is Chaplain Santucci with another gardening tip. As you're looking in the garden, you can see sweet potatoes coming up, and they're doing quite well. They're still coming into fruition, making their way, but as you can see, they're starting to bulk out here, and it means it is time for harvesting, and we'll get round to these here and also save some of the runners for our future endeavor. Over here, these are some purple sweet potatoes, and you notice the difference in these in the vines here. They're a little bit purplish, and they grow and they actually throw off, as you can see, sweet potatoes coming right out of the earth right here, as you can see them. But they actually throw off these beautiful fellows here. They're very, very, very good. I reaped these here last evening, and they're very, very interesting plants. Lovely size. And where I reaped those from was actually in this spot right here. All going here. And as you see, I've already dug it up, turned it over, all within the last 24 hours, and I've replanted immediately. So I put in some seedlings. These are Romaine lettuce. So as you see, I'm utilizing the ground immediately, not wasting no time, as the harvest part of the year is actually right upon us in all things, but again, utilizing the garden to the fullest extent. Now, looking at these Romaine lettuce here, the Romaine lettuce would get sun for at least 8 hours, 8.5 hours at that. That's pretty good during this time of the year. And so I've deliberately set them in this area so they don't get the morning sun directly, but they're getting the sun from 11 o'clock, 12ish more so, running on through the rest of the afternoon. That's a little tip for gardening this morning. Have a great day and all the best to your gardening endeavors.